I built a lazy man's chicken coop where the only thing you need to do is pick up the eggs. Storm's coming. Gotta seal this roof ASAP to protect the frame from the rain. Roof panels are set. Now following the shed build playbook, it's time for the underlayment. We're sealing this fortress up. Forget staples. Plastic cap nails have way better holding power on OSB. They're the only way to do it right. Shingle time. Learn from my shed roofing. I upgraded from hammer to a roof nail gun. Trust me, it's a total lifesaver. Practice makes perfect. My second roof was way faster and cleaner than the first. Experience is everything. Siding time. I went with a thinner plywood siding to keep the budget tight without sacrificing the look. Now for the main event, the Lazy Man egg collection system. Because picking up eggs should be the only thing you do daily. Here is my design. The secret is the 7 to 10 degree slope. It's the sweet spot. Eggs roll smoothly without ever breaking. The size is key. This custom nest box makes the hens feel safe and cozy so they can lay in peace. I designed 2 floors to maximize the space. No crowding here, just plenty of room for my egg layers to roam. A mini roof for the nest boxes. It keeps the mess out and the eggs dry. It's all in the details. Building my first Coop was a time sink, but those complex cuts were worth the effort. Learn as you go. From a sketch in my head to a solid chicken coop. Manifesting your own design, that's the dream. The bottom window is my lazy man's cleaning port. It's designed to get the dirt and waste out fast. Maximum hygiene, minimum effort. Airflow is everything. I added multiple vents and windows to keep the breeze moving and my hens healthy. I added a layer of vinyl sheet flooring. At only 66 cents a square foot, it's a steal for a waterproof, easy clean coop. This is also the deep fermentation bed. Microbes do the cleaning for me, leaving the coop smelling fresh. Total automation. A solar-powered door. One less chore for the lazy man. Just set it and forget it. I even added vinyl on top of the nest boxes, so the mess just wipes right off. Maximized ventilation. These extra windows ensure a constant breeze, so it never gets damp or stinky inside. The babies have officially moved in. I set up mini feeders just for their size while they grow into this 10-12 fortress. I added a standing rack to get them off the ground. It's a simple trick to cut down on germs and keep the flock healthy. And they love it. I'm using wood shavings for bedding. Once fermented with the waste, it's pure gold for my veggies. Nothing goes to waste here. Subscribe for more. Next, I'm showing you the rainwater feeding system and all the secret designs that make this the ultimate lazy man's coop.